Good afternoon. I hope you are all very fine. Today I get a little time to spend outside, and then I decide to come here, come to the field, the green field. I hope you are seeing this site. What is the background site? So today I am going to tell you about the sound of the letters A. There are five sounds. First one is A. Suppose as cat, CAT. Here the sound of the letter A is A. So cat. The sound of the word is cat. The second sound of the letter A is A. Father. Father. Fa. FATHER. Father. Fa. So here the sound of the letter A is A. Father. And the third is A. The third is A sound. So DAY day. Here A is represents the sound A. So it is day. And the fourth sound is A. And this is, and the fourth sound is A. That is sofa. 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 A. A. What sound is coming here? A. So sofa. And the fifth sound is A. A. Palm. 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 Here L is silent and A is sounded as A. A. Palm. Palm. The long sound of the letter A. So today you see the weather is very pleasant, and my mind does not want to back home because the weather is very pleasant and the mind blowing air is blowing, the fresh air after the rain. The green field is quiet and very good. So thank you so much. If you are new, must subscribe my channel and stay with me. I shall bring many videos. I shall upload according to IPA International Phonetics Alphabet. Thank you so much.